Poached eggs with Nduja butter. It's such a special dish and only a few ingredients needed. This is Nduja, which is a spreadable sausage, very famous in Calabria. It's also got loads of spice. And you can see there's no casing. And just by breaking it up, you'll see that it starts to dissolve into little pieces. Once it's in the pan, we can turn the heat up slowly so it starts to sizzle away. Now, Nduja and butter are best friends. They are the best combination, but you need some good quality Australian butter. This one's certified organic, and you need about 100 grams. So I'll just cut a nice big chunk of butter off here, and we'll just place that in with the Nduja, and you just want to let it melt away together. We just want these flavours to marry. So melt that butter in with the Nduja. And I always like to add a pinch of salt here to flavour it too. Okay, while that's cooking away, we can poach eggs. The classic way of poaching eggs, some white vinegar straight into a pot of gently simmering water. To this we'll add 1 egg, and my little tip is always just to crack the egg into a teacup, and we'll just form a whirlpool in the water. So just use a wooden spoon just to give that a swirl, and then we'll lower the egg in. That's the easiest way to poach your eggs. So that's going to poach for about 2 to 3 minutes. I like my eggs to be slightly runny in the centre. By the time that's cooked, this buttery deliciousness will be ready. All right, these eggs are perfectly poached out of the water, and just drain it on some paper toweling. And with eggs, you want to season them with some salt, so a little pinch of salt, and then we can plate up. Now, I like to add a bit of spinach that's just been wilted. Just cover 1 toasted English muffin. We'll place our gorgeous little egg on top, just nest it there. And then our buttery Nduja, just give that one last mix. We're just going to pour that over the top. Oh, look at that. That is the modern version of Eggs Benedict. It has all the flavour there. What an absolute treat. Butter. Such a delightful thing, isn't it?